Welcome to Savage Tech Australia. Thanks for joining us today. I'm just going to be showing you one of our products. It's a tyre deflator. I will show you how to set it up and to use it on your vehicle. You can purchase this from our website at savagetech.com.au, and I'll just show you now. We'll come over here and we'll show you how to set them up and what they come with. So in our kit we get the tyre gauge, the little carry case, and the 4 deflators. Now we'll run through this real quickly. You've got a locking collar. That one there locks onto the top, but what we're going to do to set these up is we're going to screw these all the way to the bottom, let them max out. This tyre over here I've already set up previously. We'll get the tyre gauge, we'll come over here. Sorry, which one did I do? I think it was the front one. So I deflated the front tyre. We're going to come over here, put it on here, check what we're at. We're at about between 18 and 19 psi. Okay, that's what I've preset this to. So we're going to screw this onto the tyre all the way down. Then what we're going to do is unwind this until you hear hissing. So you're unwinding the top. Make sure this bottom doesn't spin. So you hear hissing. When you hear hissing, that's where you want to be. Okay, not loud hissing, just enough to it's just hissing. You're going to wind this up and lock that off. Okay, very slight hissing, and then you're going to undo it. Okay, so that's going to be set to around 18-19 psi, where I've previously set my tyre to. Then you're going to get your next one, screw it on here, unwind it all the way, wait for the hissing, lock it off, do that to all 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this on our tyre at the back that's set it. We'll just reset the valve, the pressure gauge, then we're going to come up here, we're going to check what we're set at. We're currently set to 32 psi. We're going to screw this on. You'll hear very loud hiss. And you're going to leave that on there until it gets very quiet. Okay? And we'll come back to it in a few minutes. As you can see now, the hissing has stopped being very loud and it's right to be removed. And we'll check the pressure. And we're sitting at 19 psi, which is exactly where I wanted it to be. So that's perfect. So you would screw all of these onto the vehicle's tyres, leave it. When it's stopped being very loud hissing and it's just faintly coming out, remove your valve and you're right to go. And you've got 4 deflators, so awesome. That's how you do it. And if you want to purchase them, head to our website, savagetech.com.au. We have plenty in stock and ship Australia wide. Like and subscribe. Thanks for joining us today and peace out.